Did you guys see the wings? Oh, they're so cute. Oh, feeding time is over. But I don't know if the little one got anything. She needs to get fed too. Poor baby. Oh, well, you guys, they're way over in our patio. Way up there. Way up there. Oh, they're so cute, Mahal. Look. She turned around and there's the little baby in front of her. Ah, ah, how cute is that? They're over there. Oh, more food for the little one. She didn't get anything. You know, she's overfeeding them. Oh, no. Bye, everyone. Can't do anything in the house but watch these little chicks grow up and fly on their own. Oh, where's Papa Bird with more food? Papa Bird, come home. Okay, you guys, bye-bye now. He's sharing. I love birds in our backyard. Way up there. Way up there. Party of 5. Bye-bye now.